And beautiful hotel here. Great spot to put Galopin right there, right in front. He's hanging out peaceful. I think he's happy here. And so am I.
We had sailed hundreds of nautical miles in a ferocious ocean from Cape Verde, blown off course to the mouth of the Casamance River in Senegal. After 5 grueling days at sea, we finally dropped anchor here. The next day, a pod of dolphins guided us to this spot. After the screaming wind and smashing waves of the past days out at sea, the dolphins brought us to what could be simply defined as heavenly.
Well, we just dropped anchor here in the spot on our way up to Ziguinchor. Dolphins told us to come here. Asahi?
It was so nice show.
They gave us a show. They jumped. They said, like, come here. And here, listen to the sound here. Well, good morning, everybody. We're heading up the Casamance River. We left early this morning, well, about 9:30. And guess what? On our way up, already seen one dolphin. I don't know if we're gonna have an escort again like we did last night. Pretty cool. We're doing great speed because we're going with the current, with the tide that's coming in, so we're doing like 6 knots. So let's see what time we get into Ziguinchor, the capital of this region of Casamance.
We were going up the river, but downstream, with the current. The tide was coming in. I'm a river sailor virgin, but I've got help and guidance from my friends here. The boat traffic are fishermen and water buses, taking folks to different communities around the delta. At one point, I took my eyes off the charts, and I was looking at birds standing on the water, which was strange. Oh, then I realized I hit bottom, grounded in the mud. Simone got us out of there, and we were on our way. We had the current with us, which helped us get us off the mud. Pretty strong, as you can see. I think these are oysters or mussel farms. Good thing we're sailing during daytime. Just ahead was our final destination, the capital city of the region, Ziguinchor. I was told we could officially enter the country here with authorities. I sure hope so, because we had no other choice. I had spoken to my friend Arona in Dakar, and he told me to anchor in front of the hotel, which seemed to be this place with a terracotta roof.
Well, we made it to Ziguinchor. Here we are in front of Hotel Kundanjimang, something like that. Arona suggested we anchor there. It looks like there's a place where we can dock the dinghy, get to town, get to land, have a beer. It's been a week since we've been on land, man. A week since we left.
It's been a week.
Jeez. All right, so let's hope we can enjoy a nice beer, get some food, and check out this part of Senegal. That's all that's left of Cabo Verde flag. Cabo Verde, this chapter is closed.
Asahi was conducting one of his live YouTube sessions. Again, go to his channel. Look up Heroes Asahi. Give him love and support. We arrived Saturday afternoon, so the police would not be open. We would have to wait until Monday.
Yeah.
One of my favorite Senegalese food.
But a good meal could not wait. We both love Senegalese food,
Yes.
and the only place open was this spot.
Yes, it's a tomato paste sauce.
Oh yeah, okay.
And after buying a few basics, we went back to the boat, which was anchored in front of this hotel. See why I couldn't pronounce it right? It's Kadiadumagne.
Over there. Asahi and I are anchored right here, right in front of this amazing hotel. He said we can hang out here and left the dinghy over there at the dock.
I had asked reception if we could use their dock, of course, and that we would like to have something we both desperately craved.
Oh, here we are at the customs office, or the Police des Frontières, the frontier police, border police. Not too far away, but we walked around a little bit in town. We first went to the police, then went to another place, then to another place, and we finally came here.
Edouard, the police official, had sent this man to fetch us and bring us to where he works.
Premier bon ami ici, c'est Georges. Il vous a été présenté par Edouard à la police. On vient manger chez lui.
This is diapouchap, Senegal's signature dish. It's rice-based and comes with either fish, beef, chicken, or even duck. What does Asahi think?
Good.
Yeah, looks good.
This place would change my life here in a few days, thanks to local people like George here.
Georges, il est cool, man.
Asahi and I had things to do in town. He was familiar with Ziguinchor, as he had biked here before, so I followed his lead.
So Asahi and I just had a great meal. Senegalese food, caboutchap. We had a great time with the police here, with Edouard, border police. Sent us to a good place to eat with George. And now we're going to the grocery store to try to find some basic food.
Close by is the administrative section of the city. Town hall and mayor's office, post office, governor's residence, tourist office, and more. We had a quick look inside to introduce ourselves.
On est des YouTubers.
This building is a museum and memorial to the worst maritime accident of this century. Horrific tragedy due to overcrowding, negligence, and delayed rescue. Senegal will not forget and now maintains a safe and secure ship, which Asahi will sail back to Dakar soon. But now our destination is this place, a well-stocked European supermarket.
And beautiful hotel here. What a great, great spot to put Galopin right there, right in front.
Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me, say she feeling them.
He's hanging out peaceful. I think he's happy here. And so am I.
Oh baby, tell me, say she killing them. Mine what the die, yeah, she killing them. Say baby, I.
This anchorage has to be one of the best in my travels. Look at this. Plus, I can row back and forth. I don't need the outboard engine, which is busted anyways. Asahi will be leaving Galopin soon. I accompanied him to get his ferry tickets. Then we came here to eat.
African fashion.
Yes.
You need to wear African fashion.
Our last lunch together. The usual, please. Then we went to organize a lift to bring he and his treasured bicycle to shore. After some negotiations, Asahi managed the deal. Dude's got balls and serious good travel instincts. And he manages to produce quality videos, and I must credit him with the drone shots.
Got too many flows, I be killing them.
Asahi is packing his entire life here. It all travels with him. Go to his YouTube channel and Instagram, Heroes Asahi. He deserves a lot more love and views.
Well, there goes Asahi. It was a good trip, a good time with him, man. Brave dude. He's got balls. And hopefully we'll meet up back in Dakar.
Miss him, but I'm also glad to have Galopin to myself again. Sayonara, my Japanese friend.
to say this is one of the coolest anchorages I've been to. It's just so awesome. Boat's right there. It's safe. You can talk to Nikki right there. Just amazing. Beautiful here. People nice. Super, super, super beautiful. So.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage. A real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.